аябай кызыктуу өткөндүгүн, инновациялык бир методдор менен Мариканын ушундай бир кызыктырып сабак өткөндүгүн баардыгы белгилеп айтышты.
Dear Marika, it was great job.
It was the best course I've ever had among online sessions.
It really inspired us so much, and it really helped to develop our skills.
Oh, I'm so
Thank
happy
you.
to hear that.
Course taught us how to view and use video, especially video lessons, effectively, and I used in my teaching also, and I learned how to select the activities, special activities, using a video and integrate them into my lessons.
I hope that we definitely use those strategies we have learned from this course.
We gained a deeper understanding of several key aspects of American culture and values. We've learned about geographical position, iconic places, history, visual arts, school system, civil rights, sports, and positive attitude. And I feel very lucky to have been the part of this course, and thank you, Marika, for the knowledge you shared and the inspiration you've given us. We truly appreciate everything you've done for us. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for remembering all the sessions. How wonderful.
And you think about the Batken, it's very far from the capital, you know, and
Yeah,
many
I know.
foreigners here. That's why it was a great job for us. And
Yeah.
You increased our knowledge very, very in high level, I think.
It was really a great journey to
Yes.
a great journey to grow professionally and personally. Thank you.
Yes.
Marika.
No, I professionally and personally, you summed it up really well in both ways. Yes.